Uh, I'm gonna start. Okay. Hi. This is my final presentation. Yeah. So it's my idea was inspired by the book series, The Lunar Chronicles. What I really like about it is that it tells the fairy tale in different genres. The main features I created for my project are the different branches for the story. I use Python to build my project. During class, I learned how to input statements and use if statements. Input is used to get information from the player, and an if statement is used to change the output based on whether the given condition is met. Okay. And then code example number one. Input, here's an example of the code I wrote for my project. The code in part one asks the user if they would like for Little Red to get up in the middle of the night to investigate the footsteps or not, so that the code can later change the general storyline based on their answer. Code example number two. The code in part two checks the answer from the previous input, then changes the storyline based on the answer provided. If the input is not satisfactory, the code will print an error message. Oh, okay, I got a demo. Okay. So this is my code. I wrote stuff. Yeah. So over here it asks if like this is the title, Little Red Riding Hood, and then it asks like what genre do you want to do? Okay. So far I only did the horror. I'm still working on it. So horror, fantasy, sci-fi, or war. And if you want horror, you chose 1, fantasy for 2, sci-fi for 3, and war for 4. Right? And then so let's oh,
because you pressed stop in the middle of.
what?
I think because there's nothing written there, that's why it's giving an error. So you can just print a blank line for now. So
Okay.
it won't give you an error.
Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. So it prints all this, right? And then you're like, I feel like I want to be scared. Okay. Let's go 1. And then you're like, and then it prints like horror selected. Good luck and don't be too scared because I'm scary like that. Little Red's house has been and then it prints like stuff. Basically like quiet footsteps could be heard in the early hours of the morning, even when everyone was sound asleep and nestled safely within their blankets, or so they thought. The house wasn't safe anymore. Someone was here, and Little Red was the first to notice it. Yada 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 yada. Yeah. So the question is like, should Little Red get up in the middle of the night to investigate the footsteps? And then it's like asking you like, do you want her to or do you not want her to? And then you're like, yeah, let's do it. And then later that night, Little Red stayed up until 1 a.m. until her eyes drooped and her whole body ached, yada, yada. Yeah. So thinking about this, she reconsidered her choices. Okay. So she's like, okay, I'm here. I stayed up until 1 a.m. Do I go or do I not go? And you're like, yeah, let's go. Okay. And then you're like, and then the story goes like, sighing, she got up from her bed reluctantly, poking her head around her door and checking if anyone was here. Confirming that the hallway was, in fact, empty, she tiptoed downstairs, cautiously checking every room, and that's it. But the rest of the story basically goes like this. But yeah. No, I didn't finish the story yet. It's like it's gonna branch down, okay, by a lot.
You can replay the game, but show what happens if you chose no both times.
Oh yeah, so let's say like you gotta do this again, right? And you're like, let's not risk it. And you're like, no, right? And then It's like that night she went to sleep like she normally would, but she just couldn't. Her curious mind wondered, blah 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 blah. And then so basically the next morning, she she was heading downstairs for breakfast, and she remembered the odd footsteps, and she was like, and then the question is like, should she ask her mother if she had heard them as well? And then you're like, yeah, let's do it. And then it's like plopping her self down at the table. She watched her mother work and breakfast for a bit as she swallowed a lump in her throat. Taking a deep breath, she blurted out, "Hey mom, have you heard the footsteps tonight?" Turning around sharply, her mother stared at her in shock. Muttering something unintelligible under her breath, her mother called out for her father, saying something along the lines of, "He's back." Yeah. Little Red heard footsteps thundering downstairs, and soon after her father appeared, still in his pajamas but looking as alert as ever. Scurrying around the house and packing all their valuables, her parents' faces must have the utmost concern in them, even a fairlish look in their eyes. "Let's go. We don't have any more time. We'll explain in the car," her father whispered to her urgently, looking over at his shoulder as if someone was watching them. And then, yeah. So you can just like choose yes or no, and there's like different paths and stuff. Yes. Okay, back to the slideshow. Also, wait, I'm gonna show you guys the error message, okay? So you say 1, right? And then it's like yes or no. And you go like maybe. And it says like, please try again. An error occurred because you lack the ability to follow stated directions. Click the run button in order to play again, or simply exit out of the game. Thank you. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, and then you go back to the presentation, okay? This is my beautiful stuff. Yeah. Next steps. My favorite part about working on this project was writing the different scenarios because I'm a writer. If I were to continue working on this project, I would add these 3 things. I would expand the storyline, add the option to restart the game, or pick one path. No, like I would like say like if one path led to death, or another path led to like survival, or like another path led to like victory, where they like celebrate her amazingness or something. Yeah. Thank you. And there's like Little Red.
All right. I have a few questions for you. So
Yeah.
first question is, how did you decorate the words for the genre?
Oh, for the words, I use like a website for like an ASCII art. It's like they have like different fonts and it's really cool. Yeah. No, it's not from Google. It's from a website. No, it's from
Do you want to
like
show the website?
I forgot how you spell ASCII. Is that how you
2
spell it?
eyes.
Okay.
The CI. Yeah.
I think it might be like
It was ASCII art generator.
ASCII art.
Yeah.
Is it this one? I think it's this one. It's not this one.
No, this is the one where you can upload a picture and it turns the picture into ASCII art.
Is it this one? It might be this one. It's not this one either. Is it this? Oh yeah, it's this
Oh,
one.
that's the one.
Yeah, it's called patterjk.com. Resources.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then you can show them if you change the font from graffiti to something random. But
Then if you say like, look, it's so cute. And then you can change it to like Star Wars. And it'll look different.
right, and then you just copied all of the text and printed
Yeah,
them
and then
on
you
separate lines.
you copy it line by line. It's very hard to do. It's not, but it's tedious. Anyway, so yeah, you just copy it line by line, and then it shows up like it shows up like this. We spent like a whole class doing this.
All right, what was the hardest part of working on this project?
The hardest part of working on this project was probably organizing all of the like the data, like as in like the HA, HB, HC, HD, yeah.
Do you still have the drawing you made last time?
Yes, my template.
To organize all the inputs.
Very terrifying. I know. Just like me.
Realistically, do you think you'd continue working on this?
Yes, but I
Yes.
probably wouldn't be able to finish it.
Well, you haven't finished it. Or you're gonna let me hang.
All right. You did a wonderful job working on this project, and it was always fun taking a look at how you added onto the story.
Thank you. This is awkward.
Do you guys have questions?
Do you guys have questions? Yeah. I'm changing the genres later.
Wait, instead of the font, you just copy and paste them?
It's called SDR. It's like this, but then you have to like copy and paste it like line by line. So you have to go like
Oh. Would
Print
the font
statement.
show up in-
this. Yeah, we have to do like a lot of lines of prints.
Oh.
Don't close my lights.
Wait, is it only this website I can do it? Or-
No, there's a lot. And you can like insert images for other websites too.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.